In this video, we will demonstrate some features of the Datalyzer Qualis SPC satellite. The satellite is designed to facilitate the shop floor operator applying real-time SPC, but it also has functionality to support operations management, to monitor the status and analyze the data. After login, the satellite status dashboard will appear for the authorized satellites. On this status dashboard, you can immediately see the current performance of your manufacturing environment. Filters and display options offers you the possibility to drill down into more detailed information. When selecting one of the defined pages, the Page Status dashboard appears. This overview shows all inspection plans and the current status of the quality characteristics. The grid shows the date and time of the last measurement, the measurement results, and the summary information of the last 25 measurements. If preferred, you can also look at the status in a tile view. From this overview, a user can enter new data or review existing data for an individual characteristic by pressing on the pencil icon. Running a full inspection plan can be done by pressing on this blue icon. While running an inspection plan, the default layout shows the widgets for data entry and for entering the tracking and tracing parameters, as well as the control chart, the histogram, and the data table. As an administrator, the full data entry layout can be configured to your desired preferences. The layout can be saved separately per characteristic. This way, you can optimize your screen. If, for example, you want to enter a checklist on an iPad, you might want to hide some of the widgets to make the screen easier to read. During the data entry, the shop floor user is presented with an optimal layout. Once the shop floor user enters the measurement values, the corresponding tracking and tracing parameters, and presses Save, calculations are applied and the real-time SPC status is shown. After a predefined time interval showing the results, the satellite moves to the next characteristic in the inspection plan. If the user enters measurement values which are out of control or out of specification, the system shows a warning message and offers the possibility to enter cause, action, and/or user notes. It is possible to make the notes mandatory to make sure people don't forget to enter important information. When the inspection plan is finished or closed, Qualis Satellite will return to the page status overview. The satellite will not only support the operator in case of process violations, but it can also send emails to engineers and managers, activate and-on lights, or provide emails to the owner of the related FMEA. Besides the possibility to change the layout, Datalyzer supports multiple formats for data entry. For example, we have already seen data entry by characteristic, where characteristic data is entered one after the other. In other situations, multiple characteristics are measured per product. For this situation, Datalyzer offers a spreadsheet format, and when all data is entered, the calculations will be done. Qualis Satellite also offers data entry screens for attribute charts or even checklists. Every industry has special requirements, so many special features have been implemented based on 40 years of experience in all kinds of industries. Let's return to the satellite status dashboard. More and more data entry is done fully automatically. The shop floor operator needs information if the process is in control, even if he didn't enter the data. The OOC/OOS alarm button indicates if any out of control or out of specification occurred in the last time period. The operator can also review all alarms by clicking the Note button per chart, or even print a full note report for a satellite which can be used during a shift changeover. This status dashboard is the default dashboard as presented by Datalyzer. However, with Qualis SPC Satellite, users are flexible in designing their own additional dashboards. When creating a new dashboard, you can add the control chart, histogram, multivary, and data table widgets. In the widget setup, the user enters the name of the widget, the refresh timer, and selects the desired quality characteristic. Pressing Done will create the new dashboard and widget. Now the layout of the dashboard can be changed and the dashboard can be saved. A list of dashboards can be created and a user can quickly select a default dashboard depending on what product is being produced at a specific machine.